Okay, we're going to try to give you a good close-up of the pouring of silver into a mold, and we're also going to try to show you the unmolding of a new piece. Hopefully this goes smoothly. We will see. I know the silver's hot enough, and I think the mold is ready to go, so let's give this a shot. Again, this is very hot, not something to play around with. We're going straight in. There we go. Okay, so next one is going in. Notice how red hot that thing is staying. Definitely not something to play with if you're not used to being around flame. And this is not just a game. So I'm going to pause this for a minute. I'll be right back. As you see that dying down, you see that finishing up, and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. And now you're getting ready to see the finished result. See how we're coming. You can see right there the one we're working on, and looks like we had a successful pour. I'll try to show you here. Oh yeah, it's a little warm. There's our piece. So we're going to get this out and we're going to quench it so I can maybe get a couple more done yet tonight with some of the silver that's left. But there you go. Whoops, getting a little far away. Get a little bit of perspective on it. There. Not too bad. And this is the leftover. Notice that nice small pour channel that I made on there. And next I'm going to go to a video that shows you how to make the mold.